Hi everyone. I chose to do my project based off Edutopia. It's by Elizabeth Skopek, and it's titled 7 Guidelines for Setting Up Clear Online Lessons. So, one strategy that I did like was um, the use of posting your lesson on the same day at the same time. I believe doing this gets the student in the habit of making sure to check at the same time, um, so that they can start their work at the same time, get in a good flow of it, and continue to be successful in the class. A pitfall would be that since they know that it's posted at the same day, they may choose to just put it off and come back to it at a later day, and not get in a good habit and not keep on a good schedule. Um, that's obviously something similar that we have in this class. Um, I personally fell off at some times and would check at later times, not really be on top of it. But I found myself to be more successful and having more time to do other things when I was checking the lesson on the first day and um, making sure to get it done early. So I could talk to the students about that and talk about it from personal experience, and I can kind of know where the student's coming from as well. So the second strategy that I found would be helpful is giving a rundown on the lesson at the beginning, um, to go with the initial post. Doing this can clear any confusions that the students may have before diving into lessons and lectures and worksheets and whatnot. So, um, just basically that they understand everything. Um, this also helps the teacher, as they can see, like if there's any errors they made, or there's any maybe confusing points in their lesson that they made. So it makes sure that everything is squared away for the students, and will probably lead to less questions by the students. One downfall is that the students may not bother taking the extra minute to look at this video, and I think one solution that we could use is just give them a couple extra credit points. Give them a little motivation to check it out, and uh, give them the correct rundown. And so yeah, those are my two strategies. Thank you for listening, and have a good one.